Okay, let's begin. For today, we'll be talking about vectors equation of line. It's merely about r equals to a plus tv. That will be the formulas where r, you can mainly say this as x, y, and z. It's more of the point. A is the point on the line. T is a scalar. Where v is a direction vector. Okay, v is the direction. You can call it like that. There are many ways for us to write it down. Mainly two main ways. This whole thing is called equation of line. So let's just visualize a little bit. If I give you, let's say, point 1, -2, and 3, or sometimes the question can also say it passed through. You say there it passed through 1, -2, 3. That means that's your point. Understand? Sometimes you can also say in a direction 4, 5, and 6. -6, let's put that. So this is the direction. Let me visualize it for you. Let's say this is your point. It says here it passed through this point. Understand? Maybe I should. And then it says it moved in this direction. Then it will be something like that. Right? Equation of line, you want to have a point and you want to have a direction. So I will write my r equals to a plus tv as r equals to 1, -2, and 3 plus t remain as t, a scalar, and 4, 5, -6. That's how you write down your equation of line. Sir, should I change r into x, y, z, sir? No, you don't need to. Leave answer as this if they want for equation of line. Right? There's also another way for you. There's another two more forms that you can write it down, such as we call it parametric equation. So this one here, what is r again? R is x, y, z. So you write down parametric equation into x equals to 1 plus 4t. Basically, you break it down. Y equals to -2 plus 5t. Z equals to 3 plus -6t. I can write it down like that. Are you okay? You okay? How do I change this one to this one? You guys okay? Let me remind you again, this is what? This is a point on the line. A, you can say that. Yeah. What is this? The direction. Or at least it moves in that direction. Okay, I can leave the answer in that way, or I can even change it to one more form, which we call Cartesian. Equation. Alright, so it's basically it moves it something like this. I want my t as my subjects. So for the first one, it becomes t equals to x minus 1 over 4. You guys okay? I just move the things around. What about the second one? What will I get? T equals to y plus 2 over 5. You guys okay? Alright, what about the last one? Z minus 3 over negative 6. You guys okay? So your Cartesian equation, you rewrite it as x minus 1 over 4 equals to y plus 2 over 5 equals to z negative 3 over negative 6. Do you want me to repeat that again? No need to. Okay? So you can be changed. Let me remind you again. Either you can write down your answers in equation of line, and then you can change it into parametric equation, which is the black one. And of course, the final one, the Cartesian equation. Alright, exams is not that, it's quite sadistic. It's not going to be that simple. Sometimes you were given something in this way instead. You were given the equation, the straight line, let's say L1 is x minus 1, 5 equals to y plus 2, 4, z over 6. Okay, find me the parametric form and also the equation of line. So it's a reverse process. Do you need help? Let us do one together. So this thing here is equals to what? Equals to t. Right, so if it's too difficult for you, you can do them by one. So x minus 1 over 5 equals to t. So what will I get? X minus 1 equals to 5t. So x is 1 plus 5t. Can you do for this other two on your own? Am I too fast, class? Well, because for me this thing is very easy, so. So this one here, y plus 2 over 4 equals to what? Equals to t. And then what do I do? Times the 4. Y plus 2 equals to 4t. And finally, y equals to minus 2 plus 4t. Are you keeping up? Very good. What about last one? I'll let you try. Z equals to 60. Okay. Now we want to change them into, what do we call these three? What form is this? We call this parametric. Okay, so let's continue. So this was the parametric form. Okay, then I would like to change it into equation of line. How do I change it? The xyz, you can also rewrite as r equals to, now what's your point? 1 minus 2, what about this? 0. And then write your t. What else? 5, 4, 6. Got it? Very good. Okay, I'm going to test you. You're going to try by your own. Okay, let's say I give you this, the straight line L2, where, okay, so let's say this is your L2, now give me all three forms of it. This is called Cartesian, I want parametric, and I also want the equation of line. Good luck on your own. Okay, to the viewers, well, I suggest you try it by yourself, or you can follow me. Okay, let's say this is everything is equals to t. So x plus 3 over 2 equals to t. You can rearrange it. x plus 3 equals to 2t. So x equals to negative 3 minus 2t. Or this one here, y minus 5, 7 equals to t. So y minus 5 equals to 70. And of course this one finally, z equals to z plus 1 equals to negative 3. Sorry, I'm skipping steps a bit because I can see you. So z equals to negative 1 minus t. So now this is what we call parametric. Now you want to write down in equation of line. So the x, y, z, we write it down as r equals to negative 3. Please take them in orders, 5 and negative 1 plus t, negative 2, 7, negative 1. Let's see whether my class can get it. Are you done? Not yet? Yes or no? Let me unfreeze. Boom! Do we get the same thing? Please say yes. Don't say I make mistakes. Huh? Oh, this one positive. I'm just testing you. As if you can believe me. Okay, ready? Very good. Okay, so that's the basics of equation of line. Let's continue with other videos. Okay, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to the video.